going to cover how to change the Jaltest Link from wired to Bluetooth. It's a very simple process. All you have to do is come up to preference settings and then go to Jaltest Link, select communication mode, and simply click Bluetooth. It's going to come up with a message that says you have to unpower it completely. So just make sure that the link loses all power. Once it does, you select the check mark and that will put it into Bluetooth. The moment that you select the check mark, it puts it into Bluetooth mode. And that's all there is to it.